everybody. We are at Marcels Custom Metal, Luc De Ley, which is actually right there in the gray shirt, talking about some of the builds. But we are tucked in the back behind the wooden buck of a vehicle that he's building right here. And you also have a metal buck of his personal vehicle, which is right over there, which we'll show in a little bit. And then you have pictures of several of the head-filled cars that he built with Rick Dorr. And I know you've seen many of these things in our films before, but there's a lot of bucks and steel and wood and a lot of the things behind the scene here that you don't realize. And like this right here, this is the real before picture. This whole rack right here is what ends up being these cars that you see on the walls or sitting on the floor here. And this is a typical wooden buck that gives you the shape of the vehicles that they work around. But I wanted to start in the corner to give you an idea of how it looks as they move forward. And his workmanship is more aircraft style than anything. But it's so cool to see some of these things. And the car that we just looked at, and this right here is started off of a full-size drawing. And then you got Marcel's coach work. And you got the father and the two brothers right there. And that's pictures from the Corona facility. And it's an amazing thing to actually see and walk through this place. And all the people that are here honoring Luc and taking or participate in this little open house. So here's Marcel's personal vehicle. And I actually have several videos during the construction phase. And I was privileged enough to come here and see him build this and the struggles that came through as he was doing it, and the wins and the changes and all that stuff. So it has been a pure honor. There are some videos you can go see on Custom Mike's Fun YouTube channel, and just if you type in Google, just type in Custom Mike's, it'll light up like a Christmas tree. So we got a picture taking opportunity. And you can come here and they got build the books too, and awards that he has received. I'm gonna look at this metal table. He's building a cowl over there on that one. Gas tanks. And like I said, you have a lot of pictures, a lot of other things to look at, and the tools that he has, an impressive array. Some of them handmade, some of them bought and modified. But the work that he does is so amazing. And I'm gonna catch a little picture here of the dad and some of the other stuff here, but there's a tribute to his dad right there and some of the coach work that he's done over the years. So anyway, Marcel's Custom Metal. They've done a lot of different things. He's also flown around the United States in his own airplane, which is even cooler. So anyway, another little walkthrough of a master's little honey hole, so to say. And hopefully you can watch and enjoy and maybe come one of these days. He usually has it on the Thursday before Grand National Roaster Show in January. So you have Luc right there in the middle. So we got East Coasters coming here too. I gotta go say hi to them. So love you all. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. All those things help the channel out. Doesn't cost you anything. And it helps us taking you to these places all across the world where you can enjoy the stuff around us from your living room. Anyway, love you all. Have a great day. See ya.